What's up, Guiding Bolt fans? Nick here. Welcome to day number 6 of the 30-day Codewars Python challenge. We're just moving right along. Today we're going to be taking a look at person class bug. And I got to be honest, this one has me a little worried because I haven't tinkered too much with classes. I do know a little bit about them, and I think I already see an issue with this code, but I'm not quite sure what we're in for. So let's go ahead and jump in and see where we end up. So it says here that the following code was thought to be working properly. However, when the code tries to access the age of the person, the age of the person instance, it fails. Okay, so for this exercise, you need to fix the code so that it works correctly. You don't say. Note the order of the person's full name is first name and last name. Okay, so it looks like okay, so we're passing in first name, last name, and age, which we can see right here. And we want to return, though, a full name. So we need to basically join those two together. Oh, and then also get the age because the age was failing. So I think the age part is going to be simple because we can see here that when this instance is being created, so for instance, this instance, sorry about that. So right here, this example right here, when it's saying Mats is equal to person and then passing in these parameters, it is passing in first name is this, last name is this, and then age is 47. And we can see here that we're creating these variables within that instance. The problem is that we aren't actually declaring or setting the age. So the first thing that we want to do is go ahead and say self.age. The self is the instance that's being passed in. Self.age, and all we have to do is just say that that is equal to age. And that should take care of that part. Now for printing out the full name, though, so there's a couple of ways we can probably do this. The easiest is probably just to create it right underneath the this initial instance creation. We could create a function or a method within here to do it as well, but let's see if we can go the easy route first. So let's say that self.fullName, which hasn't been passed in, but we have the first and last that we're just going to pair together. We'll just say that is equal to, and then we'll go ahead and do something like this to join it. Dot format. So this will be first placeholder, second placeholder, so that'll be first name, that'll be last name. Then it's going to be formatted with self.firstName. What's the syntax? I think it's just comma and then self.last name. Do I have any spelling errors? No, I think that should do the trick. Do we need any return statements or anything like that in here? I don't think so. Alright, we're going to go ahead and try it just like that. So we should be able to get out the age, and we should also be able to get out the full name with that. Okay, so passed all tests. Awesome. Let's go ahead. This is where it usually gets us, though, with something wrong when it runs through the 1001 tests. Let's attempt it. Nice, only 54 on this one. So good deal. I honestly am surprised. I thought that was going to be a lot tougher, and we were going to fail that a few times. So happy with the results there. Let's go ahead and submit this guy and see how we could have done it in one line of code. Oh, I'm surprised that there isn't somebody didn't create just one line somehow to do this. There's the shortest one right there. So good deal. Yeah, we'll keep this one short and sweet. If you have any questions, you know where to put them. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in another one. I can't believe that it's going to be a week already on the next video. So thanks for hanging with me. Bye, everyone.